Om. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Dhanamulam Guru Murti Puja Mulam Guru Padam Mantra Mulam Guru Vakya Moksha Mulam Guru Kapa Akhandamandalakaram Vyaptamena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitamena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Om Bhurva Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Diyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kindly get ready for the practice of meditation. Keep your eyes closed, spine erect, upright and straight. And remain calm and quiet. Develop the state of calmness, state of tranquility, state of calmness. Think and feel, who am I? Who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Am I the intellect? Am I the emotion? Then who am I? What is my nature? From where I am coming? Where I will go? Do the self-inquiry. Withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction and concentrate on the natural, normal breathing process. Concentrate on the tip of the nose. Think and feel, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. Inhale prana, exhale apana. Inhale peace, inhale courage, inhale willpower, inhale tranquility. Now concentrate tip of the nose and again bring the awareness in the mid eyebrow center, the seat of Agya Chakra. Synchronize the mantra Om with the breath. Do it 21 times. Each time you repeat the mantra, it becomes circle, and circle becomes bigger and bigger, just like infinite. Om with the breath, Om. And the mind expands, just like you put a stone in the water, ripple come. Om. Om, Omkar is very powerful sound, the first mantra. Immerse in the mantra, breath and consciousness, and slowly, slowly you feel entering within. Experience, feel, and experience that oneness with you. Om Samno Mitrasam Samvarunaha Samno Bhavatvarima Samnendro Brahaspati Samno Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanma Avatu Tadbhaktaramatu Avatu Mam Avatu Bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now you feel connected with your higher self. Experience bliss within, joy within. Your nature is Sat Chit Anand. Sat, the truth. Chit, consciousness. Ananda, bliss. Your nature is bliss. You in a few seconds experience the state of bliss, state of Ananda. Just remain 2 minutes, pin drop silence, listen then voice of joy, voice of bliss, voice of Ananda. Om. 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 Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam Brahmanandam. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Sachidananda, Om Sachidananda, Om Sachidananda, Om Sachidananda. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Radhe Shyam, Jaya Radhe Shyam, Jaya Jaya Shri Ram. Ram 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 Ram. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Satyanandaya. Hari Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Om. Hari Om Tatsat. Hari Om. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord give you courage, peace, joy and happiness. We are very special. God had sent us on this planet. The God has sent us to planet, worldly planet, as a human being. And what is the purpose of this being come in this planet? The moment you born, exactly you come on, that you born with the death, the brutto, the maran. Birth and death, they born together. And the birth is life, but death is invisible. We don't know, but once you born, one day you will go. While between the two phases, birth and death, what is your purpose on this life? Do you believe in the God? Do you believe in the divine manifestation? Do you believe in the cosmic creation? This body is a gifted being God has given you to realize His nature. The God we call Sat Chid Ananda. He's a bliss. He's the divine. The God is divine. He's hidden within you every moment. Just like a sugar, there is sweetness hidden. The electricity, the wire go everywhere. But electricity is hidden. You cannot hold and see. The electricity everywhere. With that electricity, you are this wire, the power is there, you can see me, I can see you, I can hear you. You everywhere you are sitting in different places, but you are listening due to that power. The divine power, the Shakti is everywhere. And the purpose of life. You want peace. You want Anandam. Without peace, you cannot live. Every second. Who don't want peace? Who don't want joy? You want, but you suffer. You are unhappy. You are sad because you have a lot of desire in the mind. I want, I wish. Unending desire of cycle. Whole life we want. Person who is not married, he won't get married. And the person who get married, after Kala, he want to divorce. This is life. Pleasure and the pain, the gain and loss. Two things always there. Now we have the day, night is waiting. If you want to peace, you have to discriminate between good and the bad. My purpose in this life to realize myself. Who am I? I'm not the body. Because body is changeable. The body born, body die, and the death. This is not permanent. I am Sat Chit Anand. I am the divine. Manages bliss. No one can make you unhappy, sad, nervous, worried, and preoccupation. This is my own creation, superficial. My nature is peace. Be good and do good. If you want to do something for your society, for yourself, for your family, for the world, peace, give peace, and peace will come to you. Life is a precious gift. God has given, God sent you here. What is different between the human being and animal being? Animal walk in the four legs. The bird fly because they have 2 feet. The serpent, they don't have legs, they have eyes. Human being, animal in pieces in the world, human being is the greatest achievement God has given you. Dog and cat and the bird and lion, elephant, all these animals, they procreated, they live their life. Different between animal and human being. Human being is a precious gift. So utilize your time. Utilize your time to be good and do good. Experience the blissful state within. And that way you have to do personal discipline. A car without a brake, what will happen? It won't accident. You know that. A man without self-discipline, man doing something good, nature is very powerful. The first God we call Surya Narayana. Surya means the sun. The sun come every day, give the light to everyone. He don't discriminate it. You are sleeping or outside, you are which country, what color, what you are. The sun give light to everyone. Sun Devata, Surya Narayan. Then the air, the Vayu Meghanath, the rain, the water, free everywhere. The water, ocean water, become a cloud, go up, and the cloud come down, go to the river, and emerge in the ocean. Circulation. Water is infinite. Without water you cannot survive. The prana, the Vayu, the breath, the energy is supplied. The air is supplied. Earth, we live, that is Prithvi Devata, Mother Earth. We walk on the Mother, and Mother Earth give everything to survive without other mother. So, Earth, Mother, she never tried to look a whole human being walking and doing all the things. Respect the Mother Earth. Clean, pure air. Follow the nature. Every day, always wake up. Always I say, before to sunrise, wake up and welcoming to Lord Surya Devata, sun. If you want to healthy life, Brahma Murta, wake up early in the morning and pray to the Lord Sun, the Surya. Your health will be longer. You are all many yoga teachers, yoga practitioner, practice spiritual path. Why you practice yoga? Why you practice religion? There are different religion in the world. Hindu religion, I born a Hindu. But as a Swami, I don't preach any one religion. I teach science of yoga, science of joy, science of peace, science of happiness. I like to smile. The religion of Muslim, Islam, wonderful religion. Jews, Buddhism, Jainism, Taoism, so many religions in the world. The religion goal is to preach the people to be a peaceful, joyful, happy, understand the mystery of divine God. What religion? It's not religion of body. I'm a Christian, I'm Hindu, I'm Muslim, I'm Isai, I'm a Christian. Religion, just like a different river, human in the ocean. Paths are different, goal is the one. The yoga is not considered religion, it's a science of joy, science of happiness, science of healthy body, healthy mind, healthy emotion, healthy talking, healthy eating. Yoga is not only asana pranayam. Yoga is a whole science of bliss and joy. Smile and spoil means practice yoga. Follow the natural rule. Follow the nature. What is your nature? Your nature is peace. There is joy, happiness, contentment, courage, willpower, confidence. Cultivate that beauty within you. Let your mind become full of wonderful garden. When you enter the garden, you feel happy. The birds singing, the flower flowing, the rose flower and this flower and the tree, mango tree and banana tree, you become happy in nature. But when you enter in the cemetery, what happens? Memory comes, sad memory. Flower is there, then your life. My dear friend, enjoy a life fully. Make that divine discipline. Purpose of know yourself. The body completely changes form. We are a little baby, child, become middle age and old age. The 3 stages we changes. When you are a little baby, you are the same person, same soul. When you become teenager and old age, now you want to be a little baby 5 years, you cannot go back. But one is always sitting there, your soul is the same, Atma is the same. I'm now 75. What is 75? I spent that 75. I count every day 0. Starting new. When the age, when you are 50, 60, 70, 80, means that time passed. Start from 0. Every day you become a new life. So that time left. What we can do good for yourself, good for other people, and bring this society is full of bliss, joy, and happiness. If you have happiness within you, give happiness. If you're nervous and sad, you give nervous to the people. You are the creator of your destiny, your life. What do you think you become, my dear friend? Learn the art of thinking. Yoga means think positive. Act positive, be positive, and just enjoy the life. Doesn't matter what yoga you preach or teach. My Guru just tells it, what kind of yoga I preaching? Common sense yoga. The common sense yoga, use your common sense. If you are diabetic, what you do? What you should not do? If you have blood pressure, there are somatic disease and psychosomatic and somatic disease. Physical illness, mental illness, and emotional illness. Doctor helped you to cure your physical disease. But mental disease cannot cure. the spiritualists cannot come. The Guru is a doctor, the God is a doctor. We have ashram in where Swami used to stay, Swami Satyananda, the place called Devghar, Badrinath Dham. That is seat of Lord Shiva, Badrinath Dham. And another place is living, that place called Rikhya Dham. That place is a very special place. He sit there, he never talk anyone, he contemplate and he got his realization. And he says to me personally, I have a very deep relation with my Guru Satyananda Paramahamsa. I am very happy. Now 60 years I spend time, 45 here, but my relation, my Guru Satyananda is a friend relation. He is my mother, father, brother, best friend. There is no distance. There is no screen in between Guru and God. The Guru and the God and disciple and student. Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagwan. Bhakta, the devotee. Bhakti, the process of devotion. And Bhagwan, the God. Guru and disciple, what make that more deep? The disciple follow the discipline, Guru give the discipline, so you can realize your nature and be fearless, be cheerful, be happy, be contentment, enjoy the blissful life, my dear friend. Man create that own suffering in the life. Man creates that disharmony in the life. Doesn't matter what yoga you preach or teach, that doesn't matter. Yoga of joy, yoga of bliss, yoga of anandam. Some people give too much extreme physical thing, nothing wrong. Physical asanas, hatha yoga, you practice. I was looking Ram Rahim yoga doing, he stand on only one finger, whole body. Oh my God, it will take me 5 life to me to learn. But he's a real yogi. And I saw Lilavati standing on the air. I saw her body up. There is no connection with earth. I said, she is a really yogini. But my dear friend, be yogini, connected with that Lord. Change the quality of thinking, acting and teaching. And God and the Guru, Guru Govinda, Guru Narayan will come to protect and guide you. I am telling with my experiences. My Guru guide me every moment of my life. My Guru, Satyananda, give message to what I should do, what I not do. That's why complete faith on the Guru, faith on the God. God invisible is not living everywhere, He is living with you every moment. That realize. All the saint and sages, the Mahatma, the Sadhu. I travel intensely India while I was even I was go to India, I was traveling every corner of India, meeting the saint, the sages, the Sadhu, the Mahatma. They are not educated. They don't have university degree. They don't have college. But they are ocean of joy, ocean of bliss, ocean of ananda. Don't ask qualification externally. The university you will study got a diploma degree. You can be a doctor, the lawyer, engineer, or anything. That degree helps you to live nicely in worldly life. But degree from the divine God. God give degree to joy, happiness, surplus peace, surplus anandam. Anandam, the word. All the Swami, they are called Ananda. Satyananda, Nityananda, Brahmananda, Yogananda, Brahmodananda. Ananda means bliss. My nature, my Guru give my name, Brahma Vidyananda. What it mean? Brahma, cosmic creator. Vidya, the infinite knowledge. Wisdom, not knowledge, wisdom. Ananda bliss, that is my nature. That my name is not for the body, but my inner nature. I have to realize that nature. Brahma Vidyananda. I asked my Guruji, why they give your Guru Satyananda? Satya, truth, the bliss, Ananda, the bliss. That is my inner nature. I am not body, not mind, my sense. I am that, and I have to realize my nature. When I realize, my fear disappear, unhappy disappear, worry disappear, because I am that. But constantly I am this, I am this, I am this, I am doctor, I am engineer, I am rich man, I am poor man. No, you are that. Swami Shivananda, Shiva, Ananda. He was a doctor, Ayurvedic doctor. He studied a doctor. His name was Kupuswami Iyer, Tamil. And after studying, he went to Malaysia to perform his duty as a doctor. He was doing all these things. Then he come back India. And he said, while doing as a doctor, he don't find anything God name. Then he went to Himalaya and serving sadhu, sannyasi, poor, beggar, all this feeling. He's serving, medicine, giving all this person. And one time, one person come and he said, from today your name is Shivananda. And you have to realize yourself, who are you? And I'm your Guru, Vishwanath, and he belonged to the Singari Mutt. 5 minutes he got his Guru and the Guru disappeared. And Swami Satyananda went to his Guru, search. He realized himself, Lord Shiva, got his darshan, and he realized the nature of Shiva. And he find it 1924. Divine Life Society in Rishikesh, Himalaya. Shivananda Ashram. That ashram he started. What he experienced preaching. He had a great disciple, Swami of Army, Sachidananda, Chidananda, many disciples, and he has done all this wonderful work, Swami Shivananda. I had not met him personally, but I got lot of experiences with Swami Shivananda. His teaching was there, be good, do good. Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Be good, do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. Very simple thing, Be good and do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. If you want to respect, give respect. If someone don't give respect to you, you become angry. Someone don't love you, become angry. So, first, be good, do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. Meditate, give, love, be love, give and realize. Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Realize you are that Atman. He is to preach what he experienced. Now we preach what we read in the book, listening here and talking, we preach. Satyam vadam dharman charan means speak the truth any condition. Speak what you experience it, not the book says, not someone says. Dharmam Charam. Swami Shivananda had wonderful, we used to call ocean of love, ocean of compassion. Is a very powerful guru, a teacher, very humble and simple. Used to call ocean of, and that same teaching entered in Swami Satyananda. Swami Satyananda was leaving his guru 12 years. That is the minimum time sannyasi should be live with the guru to learn. And after that, guru send him, go back and do your thing. You learn sufficient. 9 years he has wandering, parivrajak, wandering throughout India and the world. And after that, 1960, he come to the Munger, established his Bihar School of Yoga, Shivananda Ashram. What he learned from the Guru, he tried to experience it. He put a seed of love. What same teaching of Swami Shivananda in Swami Satyananda. And that's why I am the seed of that fruits. Swami Satyananda is not giving order, not command, but he's practicing by himself. And that we got his blessing, his love, his teaching, we are here. Our life is a blessing thing. Follow the teaching of Guru. Guru teach, he don't ask you money. He don't want fame, name. He want do your karma, do your dharma, do action. Realize yourself, you are coming here. He decided Swami Satyananda life 20. 20. He decided his day, time to depart from this world. He tell us, I am going one day. He decided date, time, moment, which he is going to dissolve his physical body. I have fulfilled my mission and I am going. 5th of December 2009, I know Swami is going 4 in the morning. I am not went, I am not rushed to go where he live. I know, because physical body is an instrument. He live physical body, but become more powerful with the other body. But follow the teaching, follow karma, follow dharma, do action, and give from the heart your love, unconditional love. What is love? Love, we misunderstand the word love. Love we call passion. I love. Suddenly I say I hate. Can you cut the water in the 2 pieces, my dear friend? Can you mix the water with the oil? Can you hold the water with the hand? Water, love is just like water. Love called Divya Prem, divine love, bhakti, that's the prem. But now society make a fun for the love. I love and I don't get it, I hate you. No, that is not the love, that's passion, dependent. Relation between you and your mother, that unconditional love, the divine, the love between you and the God is unconditional. The God has different form. Maybe he appeared as a Rama. Lord Narayana, Vishnu, Mahanarayana appeared as Krishna, as a Rama. But substance is the same. So, your nature to realize yourself. Do your sadhana, do your practice, change the quality of life and be blissful. If you are unhappy, sad, nervousness, you give thought. Your mind should be disciplined. That mind should be put in the mind wonderful thought, positive thought. Think positive, act positive, and be positive. Your mind should be sattvic mind. The mind collected joy, happiness, contentment, courage, willpower, wonderful thing. But man thinking tamasic, rasic thought. Tamas, state of mind, nervous, worried, preoccupation, angry. Rasic thought, controlling, dominating. No, my dear friend, your mind should be sattvic, pure, just like a little baby. The 5-year baby, I have a friend. He's only 3 years old. His name is Dorian. I know his mother, I know his auntie and grandfather. He's 3 years, but my good friend, we talk. He's innocent. He's my teacher. 3 years old. He smile. He give me a lot of joy and happiness. I give him name is Prakash. Little baby, you learn a lot because they are pure, joyful, happy, content, no hate. Man grow, name of the love, and become imbalanced in the life. Children teach you a lot. The God, just like a children. God don't have form. We create the form. As a Rama, as a Krishna, as a Buddha, as Jesus. But God is formless. God in the sun. God in the air. God in the fire. God in the earth. Look, divine Mother. I have a wonderful garden. I saw different flower come, rose flower, different flower come. And who put that color in the? We have orchids outside. Who put this color in the tree? I have 5 mango tree. Now the mango next month will come flower. Who put that sweetness in the mango? God is invisible. He lives everywhere. He lives within you, with you. But dedicate little time. Be pure just like a children and enjoy the life. Life moment. We come and go. But while living, what you're doing? Your ego. That is your great enemy. If you have some problem, worrying habit, not good, my dear friend. Worrying and preoccupation. Everyone has their karma and dharma. Your mother, father, brother, sister, husband. Let them do their karma. Do your duty, do your karma. Change the quality of life. I'm here. I was thinking, oh my God, I left India in 1975 and now 2021. More than 45 years. Time passed. Most of my time in India and my guru here. But what I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, well-being of human being. My mouth is not giving anything which people disturb the peace. My action, that's every person has to do. Follow the nature and be good, that one. When Swami Shivananda give that word, be humble and be simple, very powerful. It's not easy. Easy to say, but easy practice. Give respect and respect. That's what he say. Be good and do good. Meditate, love, give, and realize. When you meditate, you become humble person. Whole world belongs to you. And you create that cosmic divine love. Give everything without uncondition and realize you are that Atman. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. Tero naam Omkar, Tero naam Omkar, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओम, तेरे नाम ओमकार, यू इन्फिनाइट। तू सत, तू चित आनंद, तू ही। तू सत मीन्स तू, योर ट्रुथ, चित consciousness, and your आनंद, तू सत तू चित आनंद तू ही। निराकार निर्विकार, you are formless, you don't have form, you're everywhere. People go in the temple and the church and synagogue and pray to the God, put the light and give the flower. But they hate. They're angry. We have a temple. I used to go every Sunday temple. And sometimes poor people come and sit in the outside, begging food. A temple happen everywhere in India also. The rich people go there, they pray to the God, and beggar outside the temple, they're asking the food, and they say, "Hey, go." How you can neglect person giving some fruits, not giving that beggar? See the God in the beggar, not the God sitting in the temple. And that man saying, "You are rich now. I'm teaching you, one day you will become a beggar just like me." I'm beggar. Next life you will be the beggar just like me. Beggar means sannyasi and beggar the same thing. Sannyasi don't possess anything. The Swami don't possess anything. Possess everything. Possess infinite love, infinite joy, infinite happiness. So conclusion, put everything together, put your life wonderful thing, put a picture of life. What kind of life I want? Only collect money, name, fame, children, vast external thing, but less time to experience the God within, love within. Not that love what you understand. That is passion. Love is not a passion. I'm saying in spiritual sense, love is joy. Love it without expectation, everything do. I'm just telling, it is up to you, follow or not. My word, my nature is to give my word, my blessing, my good wishes. It is up to you, follow or not, like or not. So, my dear friend, life is a wonderful blessing. I left only 30 seconds. Oh no, little bit more time. Let me sing. That's I like to sing. There is this song of Sankaracharya realized. Sankaracharya, in the Adya Sankaracharya Vijatam, Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. I am that, I am that. वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ, वही, I am that Satchidanand soul. I am Atma, the soul. Amaratma Satchidanandamay hu. I am immortal soul. My nature is Satchidanand. Akhila Vishwa ka jo Paramatma hu. Akhila Vishwa ka means whole universe. I live in the whole universe. Sabhi praniyo ka wahi atma ho. God live every being. The animal, the bird, the cat, the rat, the fish, the tree. Tree has a soul. The tree has. There was one scientist in India. His name is Jagdish Basu. He was from India. He got Nobel Prize. Tree has a soul. He proved. He got a Nobel Prize winner. Tree. Amar Atma hai maranashila kaya. This body is immortal. The soul, Atma, is immortal. This physical body is mortal. Sabhi praniyo ke vahi at. Every prani he live, every being he live. जिसे शस्त्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे, बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु। जिसे शस्त्र काटे, weapon cannot cut, fire cannot burn, water cannot make weight, and birth, the death cannot finish. This is the soul. है तारो सितारों में आलोक जिसका, start in the moon. Every star, sun and the moon, he provide in the sun and the moon, star in the sky. जो व्यापक है कण कण में है वास जिसका, he everywhere, whole universe is in there. अजर और अमर जिसको वेदों निगाहे. This is the teaching of Lord Krishna. Teach everywhere. And this is Vedic teaching, the Vedic knowledge. You know, Vedic Dharma, Sanatana Dharma is a powerful religion. This is not religion, it is science of soul, science of joy. If you are a yoga teacher, study about Bhagavad Gita. Dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. How to live human, how to be a human being. You don't have to be a dog, be a good dog. His nature is barking, his nature, but you have to be a big, good human being. Bhagavad Gita teach you. Bhagavad Gita teaching between Krishna and Arjuna, teaching you first Vishat Yoga, many distraction, unhappiness, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, all kind of yoga. Keep teaching Lord Krishna to Arjuna, his disciple. The Bhagavad Gita should be read every yoga practitioner, understand the nature of mind. Patanjali Yoga Sudra, Patanjali Rishi, the science of mind, the science of soul explained. Yoga teacher should be study Bhagavad Gita and Patanjali Yoga Sudra to understand the nature of soul, nature of God, nature of human being. What is the purpose of human life? Now, I was talking. Now your time to talk. Each one I give you 2 minutes to talk. Starting first from Rama Rahim. Tu hi Ram, tu Rahim. I give him, he born as a wonderful family, his wonderful mother. His mother is not well, she is with him. He has a wonderful father. His father to Makkah, Medina. This year he cannot go because due to him. So he is a very pure soul. He is born as a Muslim, but his karma action as a Hindu. Hindu Muslim, that's why Ram and Rahim, two, but he is a pure soul. The Ram Rahim, tell something about life. You have 2 minutes to talk. 2 minutes to talk. Hari Om.
Hari Om, everyone. Life is such a complex topic, but I think that it is most important that we stick to our practices. It is extremely beneficial to us to stick to our practices no matter what. Get up every morning, as you always keep saying, get up every morning before the sunrise, do some prayer, do some meditation, do something that would increase your happiness, increase your peace, increase your own joy, and then let it spill out to others. That's the only way. You can't manufacture it out of a book. It must come from you. And the only way you could increase it is to stick to your practice.
Thank you. Devananda, tell something what you learn.
I learned that controlling the mind, educating the mind, bring benefit to be able to create order in our lives. Like you were saying, life is complex, but having a practice and making it give us direction, give us more peace, and contact with love, learning about love, and through practices. And also for me, I have experienced that going more and more into the heart and getting out of this so much in the mind world. It has helped me to feel this contact with God more often. And
Thank you.
so many distractions.
Thank you. How many children you have?
3,
3.
4. I'm 1 too.
Good. So what you learn from your 2 son? What they teach you?
Well, they teach me to have fun again. They teach me to stop with the mind and be present. And yesterday we're playing hide and seek. Everyone in the house, mother, kids, they teach me to play again. They teach me how to be a kid again. They teach me that all the time, every day. They remind me that. They remind me to be calm. They remind me to be present.
So they are your teacher. Your son and daughter, your teacher.
Yes, they are.
A
They
teacher.
are very much my teachers.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Hari Om.
Socorro, dígame algo, cosa bonita, linda, preciosa. Porque es una madre, usted abuelita, usted es madre cósmica. Algo, habla cosa bonita, muy linda, preciosa. No se escucha bien.
¿Ya?
Ya.
Pues, ok. Muchísimas gracias por esas flores buenas que me dan. Yo me siento muy feliz cada 8 días de estar compartiendo con ustedes estas lindas enseñanzas. Y ya tengo mucha seguridad de que estas prácticas son muy útiles para un conocimiento muy profundo de nosotros mismos como seres humanos, ser mejor personas cada vez y a través de esas prácticas convertirnos nosotros en seres que podamos ayudar a la humanidad, a todos los que estén alrededor de nosotros, pero primero que todo tenemos nosotros que mejorar a nivel de ser humano. ¿Okay?
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Leelavati, you have 1 minute.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om Swamijita.
Health is wealth, so we should take time every day to be mindful of that and take care of our health and well-being and our peace of mind. We should love everyone and be happy and take time every day to connect to
Thank you. Now I have someone come and she want to talk something. I have someone come and she want to talk something. You know her, I think. Huh?
Hari Om. Hari Om. Be happy. Just live life. Enjoy. Do not hold on. Do not hold on to anything that pulls our energy down. Be happy. Hari Om. And be peaceful. Hari Om. And work every day on developing yourself better, to be a better person, be a better human being. Hari Om.
Yamuna Devi is a very humble and simple person. She helped a lot for the ashram. She administered everything for the ashram. And I'm very grateful she's coming every Saturday and make you connected with you. She is the connection without this, making all this show, she's the making. But she is always humble and simple. So we have to develop the quality, good quality within you. Good quality, develop and distribute the people. Charity of joy. Everyday charity of joy, charity of love, charity of courage, charity of willpower. Charity and only money, not only money. You can, of course, you go. Guru need to maintain the ashram, some charity. Everyone, Yesterday I got a mail even check, $10 million check. I went to the bank and they said, sir, the check is good, 10 million, but the person had not made any sign. So without sign, your check we cannot put in the bank. So don't do this one. You can write any name and put this one. Joke, it's a joke. You know, fun. Life is a fun. Take it as a fun. I met many swamis and gurus in India. They are very funny. Swami Satyananda is a funny man. Swami Chidananda. Swami Sachidananda was Yogaville in Virginia ashram. Very. I mean, they are just like a little babies. When I knew Swami Satyananda's life, he was a very humble and simple person. No ego. He has more than millions of disciples throughout the more than 120 countries. Millions of disciples. But he was a very humble and simple person. They developed that quality of simplicity, humble, egoless, joyful, contentment. But you don't feel I'm a teacher, I'm a guru, I'm a this, I'm a humble person. That's why. There are 150 Swami in the ashram when Swami Satyananda started courses. And after that, remain 108 course started. And Swami select me he select me to go to the abroad. And I said, Swamiji, why you are sending me? Why are you putting out of ashram? I said, I live my guru, and you are my disciple, you are living, you have to do, you learn something, so you have to give other people. Not selfish, selfless. And he gave my mantra, more you far, more you near. And more you near, more you far. And that mantra still I am using that one. My guru is not away from me, for me. So, conclusion, God and Guru, they are not far, they are close to you. Now I will sing the last kirtan of this today. You will follow us. Bam 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 bhole, Ramacharita Manas bole. Bam 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 bhole, Ramacharita Manas bole. Sita Ram bolo Sita Ram, Radhe Sham bolo Radhe Sham. Bam 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 Mahadeva, Har 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 Sada Shiva. Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva, Mahadeva, Mahadeva, Bam 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 Bhole, Ramacharita Manas Bole, Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram, Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham, Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram, Bam 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 Bhole, Ramacharita Manas Bole. Bhakti, the kirtan, is the highest form of yoga. Bhakti, the love, cosmic divine love. When you sing that kirtan with heart, you are close to the God and happiness comes within you and you become peace, peace, peace. I am the peace, I am the joy, I am that Atman. Be humble, peace. I pray for everyone for peace, their family and the world. What is happening in the world will happen. I have not discussed anything, how many people die with corona, how people living. Death will have happened. Protect yourself and be happy. Change the quality of life. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Hablaron muy bonito. Devananda, do you know Jamuna Devi? Hello, Devana, you know Jamuna Devi?
Sorry?
You know Jamuna Devi?
Oh, yes.
Where you meet her?
In her office.
And what you do there? What you do there? Oh God, what is that marma therapy?
Sorry?
What is marma therapy?
Aromatherapy is, I describe her as the angel's hands that helps in some points of the body, and it gives tremendous relaxation. I feel aligned, I feel relaxed.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I think I will do that one, but I don't have money, She charged a lot. How many did she pay? 5,000 or 10,000?
10,000.
You have a lot of money, I think, no? I don't have any money. No money, no honey. I cannot do, without money. Okay. Om asato ma sadagamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु शान्तिर्भवतु पूर्णं भवतु मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव ओम नाहं कर्ता हरिः कर्ता एकहं नाहं कर्ता गुरुदेव कर्ता एकहं सत्यं शरणं गच्छामि योगं शरणं गच्छामि संगं शरणं गच्छामि ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तस्य भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात् ओम गंगनाथ ओम गणेशाय नमः ओम महादुर्गाय नमः महासरस्वती नमः ओम महालक्ष्मी नमः ओम Hari Om Tassa, thank you. Hari Om, gracias. Hari Om, Hari Om.